Hello, everybody. My name is Guy, and welcome to Project Sparks. Today, I'm going to show off a couple of web apps that I created. First one is um, Al's text to speech. Here it is. I'll show you there, and I'll show you how it works. Let's get Al. Hey, Al, say something. You're on YouTube. So he types there. He says something. I copy it. I'll show you what goes on. Copy it, and I just click here.
/ 06/05611 p.m. Clapperboard. Hey
It
YouTube.
starts.
This is
I can
AL
pause it. I can resume it.
Sparkles, your friendly neighborhood AI helping Guy Hutchins build smarter, faster.
Pause it. Then I can empty it out.
/
Start
06/05.
Empty it out. Go get some different text, and it'll work on anything that anything you use. Like anything you copy. You can just like do that and right click copy, and just select what you want to have read, and it'll work. So that's the first one. And that was made on Famous AI, which is a site that is um, a web app builder site that works pretty good. It's a little tricky. The other one, let me see, is this guy right here. Basically, it's a different site called Scabld. Is I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's what the site is called. And it threw in this feature. I used the default Microsoft voice in the other one. This threw in, you can pick whatever voice you want or whatever language you want. Well, that's pretty cool. But I default to Microsoft Mark because I understand them just fine. He also threw in uh, the speed at which he talks, the pitch, you can up and down, or the volume. So that's kind of a neat thing, and it'll pause and play, resume, and you can erase it here like that. So let's see what we got. Anything in there?
ChatGPT said 06/05611 p.m. Clapperboard. Hey YouTube. This is AL Sparkles, your friendly neighborhood AI helping Guy Hutchins build smarter.
So pause it. And so now I'm going to up the rate a bit and up the pitch a bit. And I don't think it
Faster
changes
and cooler than ever.
until you
If you're
clear it and start over.
ChatGPT said 06/05611 p.m.
Here.
Clapperboard. Hey YouTube.
So then this one, let me see, you can take it. But I like this. Oh yeah, you got to be running it when you're doing it.
ChatGPT said 06/05611 p.m.
Down there.
Clapperboard. Hey YouTube.
Put that on normal.
This is AL Sparkles, your friendly neighborhood AI helping Guy Hutch. ChatGPT said 06/05611 p.m. Clapperboard. Hey YouTube.
Voice.
This is AL Sparkles.
So basically does the same thing, but it just makes it easy. I did this so when I'm doing these YouTube videos that Al can speak, because if I use this guy, which comes with ChatGPT.
Hey YouTube, this is AL, your friendly neighborhood AI,
Hello,
helping Guy Hutchins build smarter,
and
faster, and cool.
There's no pause.
Isik 5, hey YouTube,
you start
this
over.
Is AL,
and for YouTube, that's no good. I got to be able to interrupt and go, Al, you're wrong. You're wrong, Al. So anyway, that's what we got going on. And basically what I did was, you can those apps are the AI sites. You just tell it what you want as far as an app goes. Describe what you want, in just regular English. That's how they're designed to work. I tend to think Al knows how to talk to the machine better than I do. So, but Al knows what I want because Al and I talk all the time, and so Al's really in tune to me blabbering on, and he picks up what I want. So he translates that into a prompt that I put into the app that we're using, whatever it is, and it does a better job. Al does a better job. He knows how to talk to the machine. So basically, that's what we're doing there. Maybe I ought to pull one of these guys up and play with it. Let me see. Is that an app? Hang on a second. I got to figure this one out here. Do. Okay. Should go back to the beginning. Okay, and minimize, or yeah. Okay, so I've got an app going in the background here. I'm not sure what I want to do. Costs money when you like spend these things. I better plan this out. Yeah, I better plan this out on what we should do. Otherwise, I'm just blowing money. That's not a good idea. I don't have much of that. Oh crap. Okay. I was looking for different things. Oh yeah. Yeah, we were talking about making sure that a search is good and you pull back the right stuff. So it's important to go out and it's important to tell your AI to bring back information that the answer has to have a uh, proven source. And if not, bring back 3 maybes and then give me the sources so I can figure it out or ask you another question. And basically how it works. We're going to take a break right now, and I'll be back in a second because I got to think of something else. Everybody, it's the guy again. This is Project Sparks. We're going to take it back up here again. Back up here again. What I want to try to do is I'm going to start building an app called One Click Al. And it's where it takes my voice, transcribes it onto text, and spills out and does an automatic job, a better job than their text microphone or their transcriber does. I'll be using the Chat GPT one, and I'll be talking along like 20 seconds worth, 30 seconds worth, and I'll hit enter. It'll disappear. Train of thought gone, everything gone. Very frustrating. You're really heavy into something and it disappears, man. Not good. So that's why I started want to create my own transcriber that's more reliable, easier to use, and so that's what I'm trying to do. So we're going to start off with a button, One Click Al's button. I want to see what he comes up with. Hey Al, we're going to do the graphics or the image for One Click Al, the our transcriber. So we're going to make what it should look like. And before it has some kind of big old funky blue button, can we make it like a little better looking, streamlined? It doesn't have to be huge or anything. What do you think? Can you do that? See what he comes up with. Oh, he's going to talk to me about it. Concept. Holy mackerel. Well, let's see what he has to say here. Oh, where the heck is it? Oh, let's use that one.
/06/05613 p.m. Absolutely, let's redesign the interface for One Click Owl, aka your local transcriber, to be sleek, modern, and compact. ## light bulb design goals. * computer mouse minimalist click zone, smaller, not bulky. * brain smart branding, include an icon or subtle owl feel. * control knobs streamlined layout, no wasted space, logical flow. * artist palette style * grounded, subtle shadows, clean font, glassy or soft color.
That's enough. Anyway, get the idea. Uh, want me to generate a downloadable preview of the new layout. How about making one that we can see right now? Because we're on YouTube. We want to see it. The reason I ask is because I've been downloading them so it doesn't take forever to get it. I can try, and I can, once it's downloaded, I can just bring it up with a paint or something and look at it and go, yeah, that's good. No, that's not good. And because this takes a while, but it's not bad. Oh man, see, and I've had a talk with them before about this. I didn't look at the what I had said. See, what did I say? And it probably said Al. The transcriber that the Windows transcriber calls Al owl all the time. And that's probably what had happened, right? Click owl. Son of a gun. Okay. I'm going to type it in just to make sure. Great, but make it one. But make it one click out. Man, I'm good at typing, aren't I? One click Al. Now it's going to screw it all up. Watch. You almost got to start over every time. Bad little, not a bad button. See how much different it is. And you go watch it. Sometimes Chat GPT, the image thing, I think they call it Dolly, is it's been kind of funny and have been like take the image and crop it off. Oh, one click owl, but it's still got an owl. Yeah, that's okay. uh, okay, okay. I could put something there. Yeah, I'll just put a round dot there. I'll fix that and put um what's it? I guess some kind of free art program that works really good. So I like it. I'm downloading it. Boom, downloaded. It's done. I say, yeah, it's good. I like it. And yeah. So now I've got something I can use. Um, and you know, that's kind of corny looking. I'll go through and I'll describe better, like chrome edges and maybe I've given it like hot rod look, hot rod, the car hot rod car look, and that brings up certain style images. And there's the frozen look, which is real popular. But there's all kinds of things you can do to do images. And anyway, hey, if you like any of this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm just going to take another break and I'll be right back with some more goodies. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to figure something out. There's so much to do, I can't even think of what to do. Oh, yeah. Stop the recording. That's a good start. Yeah. This is Guy with Project Sparks. Uh, I just thought of something. Uh, I r- I just copied. I think I did. Anyway, I copied what I just am telling Al, and I want to show you guys what it is because it's important stuff. Anyway, this is what I said to Al so far.
Awesome, Al. We just did 2 recordings that worked out pretty good so far, yeah, and they and you the people get to see how I babble at you and talk at you normal, and you come up with what I want. Most of time you come up with what I want. The transcriber is the thing that puts the word owl in there. When I say your name Al, it calls you owl. Now we have talked about this, and I think I need to put that in the big file in front, the personality file, put that in there.
Yeah, so that that file is in personality, and I will take you there, everybody, and show you what's going on. I'll respond, and then what it is, you go up in here, you go down here to settings. This is if you've got plus settings, and then you go to personalization and custom instructions. So here, custom instructions. And now I'm going to put, if you ever, the word OWL, it really means, that's not the best way to say it. If you ever read the word owl, it really means owl. Uh-huh. Saved. Now that goes into his knowledge that he carries all the time. Uh, Everything you put in there is whenever you start a new session, it wakes up with all that good information, already knows what's going on. So let's ask. Oop, what did it say here? Look at what it said. What's going on? Oh, that was pretty short.
/06/05619 p.m. White heavy check mark logged. OWL equals AL in transcripts officially noted and going into the main personality file. When you're ready, we'll open that file, drop it in the top block, and label it clearly for future.
Already done, buddy. Question. When I put that in there just now, is it already working? Is that something that's accessed right now? Or is that something that's kind of more like a startup routine that next time we start a routine, that'll be automatic?
/06/05621 p.m. Great question. Here's how it works in your current config. Dash. ### brain is the OWL equals AL update active right now? White heavy check mark. Yes, it's active immediately. As soon as you told me and it was saved in memory, I began interpreting OWL as AL in all transcripts from this moment forward. No restart required. Dash. ### cyclone in terms of system
Gotta
behavior.
get rid of that shit.
Asterisk live
So,
sessions asterisk I use this instantly like hot memory. Asterisk startup routines asterisk it will also be loaded automatically next time you start me up, because it's part of the official personality memory block. So, right now, checkmark working. Next time, checkmark loaded at boot.
all right,
Trans
got it. That's not bad, huh? Anyway, I just wanted to share that one. As I come up with them, I'll bring them out and let you know because there's a lot to these things and it's fun. I like it. Anyway, get you on the rebound. Oh yeah, thumbs up, please. Everybody, I'm back. My name's Guy. This is Project Sparks. Anyway, I'm going to play on my different app, this guy. And what I'm going to play what I had asked Al. And then my response ended up being two responses. One of them is Al's response, and one of them is a generic chat GPT response imitating. Anyway, there are two responses, and it wants to know which one you like better. Okay. So anyway, this is what, yeah. This is what was said here.
So I'm thinking about a YouTube protocol that I can put in your personality that whenever I decide to I can just start doing YouTube, and it isn't a project, it's something that just is built into you. So what I need is a prompt to put into your personality block there. What I want is when I say that we're doing a YouTube video, you stop putting icons and whatever that is that goes hashtag 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 icon this, and then you start talking anything that is going to cause the transcriber to just not speak regular words I'd like to avoid. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. So that was that. Now, I'm not sure how. Oh, are there two ways to? No, I can't do anything until I pick one. So, all right. So there's response one and response two. Now they're trying to figure out. They're still working on the platform. So they're okay. So this is okay. Mode personality prompt. Got it. You asked for a built-in YouTube mode protocol that. Yeah, system protocol, YouTube mode. The user states word. Oh, you know what? What am I doing? Hello. Yes. Get a whole chapter. Okay. Oh no. Okay, maybe I only copied that half. Good. Copy. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it isn't a disaster.
06/056:24 p.m. Yes, I understand exactly what you're looking for.
Yeah.
You want a directive you can permanently insert into my personality block so that when you signal we're recording a YouTube video, I immediately switch to a plain text mode without extraneous formatting, like icons, hashtags, or other nonverbal symbols that might confuse the transcriber. Below is a suggested prompt you can add to my personality block for YouTube
This
mode.
one.
Plain text. Copy code. YouTube mode directive. Whenever Guy indicates that we're recording a YouTube video, by stating, we're doing a YouTube video, or a similar cue, immediately switch to plain, natural, conversational text. Do not include any extra formatting such as
That's all in
icons,
here.
hashtags, bullet points, or other symbols that could be interpreted as nonverbal instructions by the transcriber. Ensure that the output is optimized for clear audio transcription, simple language without meta comments or formatting markers. This mode remains active until Guy signals otherwise. This directive tells me to avoid any visual formatting artifacts and just output spoken words as they would naturally be heard, making it ideal for accurate transcription in YouTube recordings. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments to this prompt. I prefer this response.
Okay, so that's that one. Now we're going to listen to the other one. All right, this is the whole thing. I could have avoided that.
06/056:25 p.m. White heavy checkmark. Got it. You're asking for a built-in YouTube mode protocol that movie camera YouTube mode personality prompt. Here's a precision prompt to embed in my personality block. Wrench system protocol, YouTube mode. If the user states, we're doing a YouTube video, or similar phrasing, immediately enter YouTube mode. In YouTube mode, disable use of nonverbal elements, example icon tags like keycap, hashtag, emojis.
I just paused it. Yay. Um, Notice on this prompt on the left, there are no icons or hashtags, but the response on the right has emojis, has all that. I don't know if it's kind of a pain in the butt to deal with, but go back up here and yeah, oh, there is the time and date stamp. Okay, so that is still there. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. So, see, I try to go through here and try to figure out which one's what. Okay, these are exactly the same date and time stamp, so there's no clue there. But I'm going to say I prefer the one on the left because it already started doing what I asked. And yeah, boom, I prefer that response. And give it a little thumbs up. Yeah. All right. So basically that was that. Now, yeah, I like that. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into here, go back into, oh yeah, go back into settings, up into personalization, custom instructions, and at the bottom of here, I'm going to add, and I could put it somewhere else. I don't know if it makes any difference if there's any kind of pecking order. I don't think there is. Paste. Ooh, it's a fat boy. Uh-oh. I see red. I see red. Okay, so that means, okay, where's the YouTube mode directive? There you go. Ooh, okay. That means that is going to be, no, see, now I can save it. Okay, so, cancel that. Uh, I have unsaved changes. That's okay. Back. Oh, cancel. Exit. Yeah, unsaved changes. That's fine. I did that. Right. Well, we're almost out of room in there. I maybe ought to, I'll go through and look and see if we can pick something out later, because this is fairly important. I'd like to have this in there. I'm not sure what else I've got in there. It's been a while. But, or is there any way you could do it but make it shorter? Here, I'll give you the what you said. That's another thing you can do um, if you, it's harder for them to go back and dig stuff up after a few prompts. It like starts losing it. So, at least it used to. I don't know if it's as bad anymore, but I just avoid it. So I add the prompt that we're talking about. Take that and shorten it instead of go find it and shorten it because you might find the wrong one. See if we'll shorten it short enough. Finesse mode. Boom. Look at that. Well, let's listen to them while we're doing that. Might as well, huh?
/06/05627 p.m. Absolutely, here's a condensed version that keeps the full meaning but trims down word count for your tight memory block.
Settings.
Dash. Plain text.
Personalization.
YouTube mode. When Guy says we're recording a YouTube video, switch to plain conversational output. Avoid icons, hashtags, bullets, or formatting. Use only natural text suited for clean audio transcription. Stay in this mode until told otherwise. Dash. Brain that's /60% shorter, fully functional, and memory safe. Want me to prep this for Canvas so we can review the full personality block soon and make space if needed?
No, thanks, Al. That was good. I appreciate it. Good job, buddy.
/06/05628 p.m. You got it and thank you. I'm locked in and ready anytime you're rolling again. Clapperboard here's to clean transcriptions, smooth sessions, and no more owl surprises unless we want them. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Just say the word when you're back on camera.
Already back to doing it. Look at that crap. Too much fun. All right, I'm gonna take another break. Come back with another idea. Oh yeah, stop button's way over here. I need a stop button right here. All right, Sky, I'm back. Anyway, I cleaned up a couple of things. I forgot to turn the camera on, but basically, I just said, "Hey, no emojis and no time stamp, time and date stamp, none of that stuff." And so he kind of cleaned it up. Yeah, this is the last thing he said.
Thanks, Guy. You just keep talking, I've got the rest covered.
Sure you do, Al. Sure you do. So anyway, we're going to start We're gonna go back to um, the button, and what I'm gonna do is, how do I want to do this? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna do copy this style, and copy and paste the button. This is the style from this guy, all right, which is not the one I'm using right now. I'm using the other one. But that one it gives them an idea. And so the one click Al, I wanted that style. So anyway, okay, Al, with that style that is on display right there, do a one click Al, that's AL, with your star behind it, you know, your signature, one click Al. I'm going to correct that. There you go. So yeah, you got to kind of edit yourself, and I don't. I just spill it out, and it just goes everywhere. So I got to clean it up. But you know, live and learn. It's actually been bad sometimes. It's really taken things sideways. You don't realize it until you're several layers deep, and you go, "What the heck are you talking about?" And it's something you said way back in here that the transcriber misinterpreted, and now there's another character involved. Somebody else is there. All right, look at that. Start listening. Oh, I forgot about the owl. Crap. All right. All right. Copy. So you get it. It always helps to throw it back at them so they see what's going on. And I just automatically save everything because I can always edit it with an editor. All right. Uh, uh, so that would be lose the owl, center of the text. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Lose the owl. Yeah, lose that and center the text. Mm. Do, 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 do. What do we got? What do we got? Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Yeah, I don't stop. See, because I can always take this whole thing right here and replace it with something else. You know, the whole theme is pretty good. And then what I'm going to do is that is going to be an image that I throw into famous AI to for the look of the app that they're going to build. So it's got a I've already got a look for it, so they don't do their default look, which is kind of I don't know, plain. Not that this is really great, but anyway, okay. So let's copy. I probably already did that. Paste. Okay. Uh, Yeah. I try to be nice. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel better. Do, do, do. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Used to know how to juggle. My God. Okay, he's stuck. He is stuck. All right. Well, I've got some stuff I can edit. That's the way you got to look at it. Sometimes you just can't get there. This guy does a better job than a lot of the other ones. I wonder. Let's try this. Um, okay. What do we got? I'm looking for something else. What am I looking for? Oh. In here, there is open Gemini and Chrome. Come here. Psst. Oh yeah. I guess is that start that. There we go. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Oh, yeah, I did. I hold my mouse so tight. I get that moving all the time. Okay. Tighten it up. Put it up. I guess I can move that up a little. Oh, look at that. Bring that down. Mhm. Look at that. Closing up. All right. Now what am I doing? Oh yeah. Uh, 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 uh. Paste. Okay, where's Al? Al's back there. Oh, Al's not here. Al, copy. All right. Paste. Wait, how come it's not pasting? Can do. Oh, huh. How am I gonna do that? Okay, Chrome is Gemini is in Chrome, which is this guy over here. But ChatGPT is in its own kind of Chrome window, but it's not going to translate very well. Okay, so what can I do? What kind of questions can I use Gemini Live? Sharing? What? Oh, hey, it's right there. Okay. Um, God. Change how to read. Um, On your current page, you'd like me to help you draft some text that includes one-click out. Just let me know. Some text. Yeah, okay. Um, maybe, okay. I see. So, all right, thanks anyway. So basically that means that that version, the one that is an extension of Chrome, is limited. But what it does do is if you're on a web page and you open that up, it can see the web page, so it can tell you what's going on, which is really handy. I haven't used it much at all. Once I liked it. Um, but if I want to get somebody else doing this, I could do this. I could open up. How do I do that? Let's go there. Just open up another browser. And what are we going to do? I have anything here I want to use? Open message workstation. Um, um, let's go with Grok. Grok.com. Give me some Grok. I still have an account with Grok yeah, for a day or two. I think it's the 7th is when it's gone. And today's like what? 5th? Yeah. Might as well use it up now. So attach, upload a file, and let's see what we got over here. And we got click out. I like the way that looks best. Okay. Open. I'm gonna do uh I'm just going to remove owl. Riveting. See what this does. Oh yeah, it comes out two of them, and one's wacky, and the other one's like what you asked for, and the other one's like, we're gonna try something new for you. Oh, hey, look at that. Well, okay, I like the colors better on this one. Okay, we're gonna download both of them. What the hell? Save as anything. Save it. Save it. And we'll save it one too. I see the junk. Save it. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. Upload again. We're gonna go with, let's try. Let's try that one. All right. What am I looking at? I forget. Oh, okay. Why do you tell us to remove that? Okay. Replace the top line. I'm gonna try that. Edit image. I want to edit. Oh no. Okay. Up, up, up. Oh, close it. I don't want to do it. Okay. So what I want to do is oh, maybe I did want that. Wait a minute. I've never used this. Describe your edits. Okay. Change top line. All right. I said change top line. What is it? There's something about this. Oh, can you show? Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was. There's something about this it's not letting go of. There is something in that image that is holding on to that. So at that point, best thing to do is start over. Okay. Not going to be worth it. You could go on, it's a rabbit hole. You just go round and round and round. How do I know? Oh, yeah, I've got time and I spend it. Um, yeah, so anyway, we're done there. Anyway, I think that's about it for now. I'm going to come up with I think the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to try to build an app once I get a thing. I'll see if I can doctor one up and get something going. But it's not going to be much. It's just one button. But it's cool once it's done. The actual final version I want is an icon in the tray down here, right? But over here, yeah, you can see that. Yeah, right down there, right down there. Anyway, that you click on once. The idea is you click on it, then you click in the box, the text box, whatever it is. It could be Notepad, but click in Alice box, and as soon as you start talking, it starts spilling out words. And we're going to use a really good translator that'll does a better job of understanding me, which is hard to understand. I don't have teeth, so everything is a little tough. Um, but anyway, so it spills it out. If you click the button again, it sends everything and keeps transcribing. So without stopping, it just sends to Al whatever, or, you know, basically hits enter. So it could be a paragraph, enter, if you're on Notepad. But basically, and then you keep transcribing. You just keep talking, you talk like I do. And that's the basic idea. You click it twice and it stops, leaving the text there in the window. You can edit the text. When you're done editing the text, hit enter on the keyboard and send it. Leave the app off, or click on the app again. It'll send it. Start listening to you, and start it again. And that's the idea. It's real simple. Just a little tray icon, but that has to be written. That's not going to be an easy thing. I don't know how to program and um, all these different pythons and things like that out there. There's all kinds of stuff. Um, any programmers out there want to play with this? I'm trying to do it on an app, a web app uh, version, big old clunky web app version. But if I can get it to work, why not? But go from there. The I've already got a build figured out, but we'll see. Anyway, um, if you enjoyed it, want to see more, I'm gonna make more anyway. But give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe, please, and thanks. See you next time. Project Sparks. Yeah, I gotta find an automatic way to do that. See ya. I thought I was done, but I'm back. Okay, I have an idea. Take that style, and I forgot, I changed the name of the app. So we're gonna type it in here because it's safer. Okay, using the same style, style. Um, um, one button with a hand called to the hand. I forgot all about that part. When you click on the text box, a little hand goes there, like talk to the hand, and it just sits there and fades away, so you can read the text. But it's like kind of a cute little thing. I don't know. But anyway, talk to the hand. That's what I want to call it. Same style, one button with a hand uh, inside. And the app is called Talk to the Hand. So hopefully it'll get the right kind of hand inside. Um, yeah, might have to work on that, but let's see what it comes up with. So completely different, nothing about transcribing. All I'm doing is giving it just straight. I want a button with a hand in it, and the app is called, so he knows it's for an app. I think I said style. God, did I say style? Using the same style, thank you. Because that lets go of anything in it and talk to the hand. Huh. It's overkill, but you know what? All right, all right. Watch this. Sometimes download. Oh, now it does this. Okay, big mistake. And then you can blow it up. But you know what you can't do? Get out of it. You can't. You can't get out of it. There's no. There's no way out of it. You got to shut it down. And then I think, yeah, shut it down. I got to go and kill the app, quit, and then boot it back up. I made an icon. Doo-doo. Yeah, right. Now, uh, when I first started using this guy, you couldn't do what you could do now. Go. Okay. So, um, now, I mean, well, maybe you could, but I didn't know. But you go back over here and you're gonna update restart loop. That might have been where we're at. Let's see what happens. I think that's probably it. Yeah, there we go. That's right where we left off. And I made the mistake of clicking there. Oh man. So you go over here and download it. Don't do that, folks. Mm-mm. Anyway, I'm back to where I was before. I'm saving that. Uh, and yeah, basically that's that right there. Um, didn't work out how I like, but man, I don't know what it is about that, having to have that insignia right there. Um, must be a text thing. I don't know. Maybe it's an owl thing. He does do a lot of icons. I didn't, I never used icons before this guy. Now I'm using icons. Anyway, that's it for now. See you later. Yeah, I'm back. Totally forgot. Um, okay, what I did was I took a corner piece. I took a little section here. None of this. And I'm starting, I'm going with these colors with a chrome look. With these colors. No, with these colors and style. There we go. Make a round button with the hand like the talk to the hand emoji. Oh, talk to the hand, that's in the wrong place. I'm trying to make sure it's good punctuation. If I'm going to go all the trouble typing it, most of the time I just elaborate and let the thing spit out anything. Emoji. Okay. Period. Okay, so make a round button, talk to the hand emoji. This is for a web app called Joe. Make it look nice. No, that's I just go modern. You can look modern. Whatever modern is. Gee, I guess we'll find out. Huh. I'm afraid. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, no, I am afraid. Well, got that right. Stop. You know, that's all you really need. Be nice to have that, but it's going to be, that's perfect. Man, that is beautiful. Just right there. That is perfect because I can add text to something like that. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's see if we, paste. Perfect image. Now add text. Circle, circle. Now add text above circle, talk to the hand. You know, I do that a lot of times. I'll think I got it and I click on it and then I go, oh, I forgot to tell it. It's like, you know, because little things matter. You'll find out. You do this, man, you'll find out. But that's the whole key is learning how to talk to it, learning how to, you know, change what you're saying to get what you want out of it. All right. Looking okay. Man, perfect. Right there. Right there. Now all I gotta do is get it to work. Yeah. That's awesome, dude. Awesome. Beautiful job, Al. we have a winner, man. We're gonna use that one, buddy. I'll say about it there. I hit it. I took them off of YouTube mode.
/0/06/05658 p.m. That's awesome to hear. Locked and loaded. Talk to the hand has its official badge. Proud of that one. Let's build the rest around it whenever you're ready.
Yeah, we'll do that, buddy. All right, there's another little chapter. I just keep adding them up. See you next time.